Today the topic which we are going to discuss is a cell membrane. Cell membrane is composed of lipids 47%, associated proteins 50%, carbohydrates 3%. Structurally, cell membrane is a phospholipid bilayer. It consists of two parts, polar part and non-polar part. Polar part is due to presence of a phosphate group. It is hydrophilic in nature, whereas other part is non-polar due to the presence of fatty acids. It is hydrophobic in nature. Due to the presence of a fatty acid, it acts as a selectively permeable membrane, so that only lipid-soluble substance and low molecular weight substances can pass directly through cell membrane. This is the diagrammatic representation of a cell membrane consisting of a phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipid have two components: phosphate group, which is oriented towards external environment in outer layer, and internal environment in the inner layer, whereas fatty acids are present in the center towards each other. Apart from phospholipid, associated proteins, carbohydrates are present, and cholesterol is also intercalated between the fatty acids. As we have discussed earlier, that cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer, but they show asymmetry in both layers. The difference lies in the type of phospholipid present in each layer. The phospholipid present in outer layer are phosphatidylcholine, sphingomyelin, whereas the phospholipid present in inner layer are phosphatidylethanolamine and phosphatidylserine. One of the properties of a cell membrane is its fluidity, which means that phospholipids present in a cell membrane are mobile and they move easily. The factors that affect the fluidity of a cell membrane are temperature, cholesterol content, and the presence of unsaturated and saturated fatty acids. Temperature is directly proportional to the fluidity of cell membrane. Increasing the temperature will increases the fluidity. Increased cholesterol content will decrease the fluidity of a cell membrane. Number 3. The more the unsaturated fatty acids are present in a cell membrane, the more will be its fluidity. Fluidity of a cell membrane play an important role in exocytosis, endocytosis, and membrane biogenesis. To compensate for the part of a cell membrane lost during these processes. Coming towards the protein present in the cell membrane, there are two types of protein present in the cell membrane: integral protein, peripheral proteins. Integral proteins are transmembrane proteins, which means they traverse the entire membrane. The function of integral proteins are: they act as channels to pass water-soluble substances across the membrane. Number 2, they act as carrier proteins and carry the substance, undergoes change and shift the substance across the membrane. Number 3, they act as enzymes, and number 4, they act as receptors. Number 5, they act as linker proteins and binds the internal cytoskeleton with extracellular matrix. The other type of protein present in a cell membrane are peripheral proteins, because they weakly binds to the hydrophilic head groups on both inner and outer membrane. This was all about the cell membrane. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new videos.